Wait, where am I looking? Hello? I was. This is my roommate. She's been my roommate for the past 7 years. So I'm 9 months pregnant.
Hi, Jada.
So, what are some of the co-curricular activities that you look forward to bringing to the Memphis Grizzlies in the past year? I hope to become the general manager so I can transform the team. And you now tell us, what exactly does the general manager do? I feel on the spot.
So would you prefer
Like
Normandy or
no, the beach in Mississippi. What is that, Biloxi?
Ooh, Biloxi.
All right. You know that water is like green.
Yeah.
I enjoy basketball. I'm a basketball fiend. I must admit.
Are you Troy Bolton?
Yes. Okay. What'd you say she
So
said?
Ruthie says we're trying to slide up to MTSU to watch the Greek Strata Afro beats.
You don't go with her? No. It's called Jungle Juice. From my Kylie Cosmetics Sipping Pretty birthday palette. Kylie is a Leo, as am I, except I don't have as much money as she does, nor do I have a child. I am a Cancer. What does that entail? A kind one. Okay, do you know any famous celebrities that are Cancers? Steve Martin is a Cancer. Okay. All right. Can you bleep that out and leave our reaction?
Just bleep out the.
We're playing next week, y'all. I do nothing but try to get my friends involved in the basketball world. And you see they like to talk over me, snore when I talk about basketball, and do not support me in any way. Comment down below if your friends support you. Yeah, I mean, you looking good. Find your close, like a close, what is it, knit of friends? Close knit group. Yeah. Because if you don't, well, at least find one friend, because that makes it better. Much better. Being here. Tammy, what's your advice? Away from home.
I agree as well. Is finding somebody to really talk to, so you're not just bored and wanting to go back home all semester long.
Okay, just add us next time. That would be more sufficient. And then you get to do things. You have a lot of freedom. You can do whatever you want when you're away. On the weekends, we're stuck at our apartment because it's off campus, and we get afraid. Like, I have to carry my taser just so we can get food. So really, we're living like early humans. That's a good thing. Builds character. That's true.
Is there a Wendy's close?
It's right there. That is Two-Face Born This Way. And my color is, what is that? I forgot what it's called. Jada wears tiramisu. Because I am a chocolate drop. I believe I wear mahogany in that. I want to be like, what's going on?
Someone was shooting the ball and they hit the backboard in a stupid way.
Oh, it bounced off and went out of bounds?
Yeah.
Bounce it around, bounce it around, bounce it.
I love nerd.
The truth will set you free. We usually powder my nose, but since I'm not going anywhere, we don't have to.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Because I am an oily beast.
Makeup to Wendy's.
Okay.
And we're gonna eat there for 3 hours.
Tammy is so funny. We just
It's how you be saying stuff, Tammy.
we
That be
just
so
found
funny.
Tammy this semester. Oh no, last semester. Can you believe we haven't known Tammy?
And she literally lived right down the hall from us and never heard our cries for help and just.
You're poor.
Sorry.
I actually didn't even live in L'Oreal. I just had my stuff there.
Where did you live? And then it was purple because when I used to read those click books, her favorite color was purple. I was like, I want to be like her because she's the most popular girl in school.
I just remember thinking I didn't want to be too girly when I was little, and I didn't want to, because blue used to be my favorite color, but then I associated that with boys. And so I was like, I would like to do a color in between, so purple, between pink and blue, or red and blue.
Tammy, what's your favorite color?
Green.
Why?
Because when I was obsessed with mindless behavior in Princeton on MD camp, said his favorite color was green.
Yes.
And I've been obsessed with the color since.
Shout out to Mindless Behavior.
You stated.
I use NARS.
The Radiant
This
Creamy
is-
Concealer.
You are
This
rich.
is Amade. What the hell? Amande?
This
I'm
boy-
wand.
This boy
I'm
on
wand.
Tinder has a screwdriver in his ear.
We love it. Do y'all want to see my engagement ring? I
No.
don't kiss it. I don't kiss and tell,
So y'all have never kissed.
basically.
I have something to say.
What is it, Tammy? Speak your mind, sis.
The week before last, my mom's boyfriend took my mom ring shopping. So
Ooh,
my mother will be
stop.
getting married soon. Or
Oh,
at least proposed to.
Are you excited?
Yes, I screamed when she told me.
Did you
That's
scream
so
and shout
great.
and let it all out?
including toots.
It goes on and on and on and on.
You are now.
I did too.
Well, I am in Britney, bitch.
Oh yeah. So what are your favorite? You guys'
Stereotypical man. I watch basketball highlights on YouTube, and I also when I want like some natural.
highlight, she has a basketball.
Oh, I love
on her
it.
head.
No, but I also like if I want natural hair looks, I'll look for some. Go ahead and say it, Tammy.
3A curl pattern hairstyle.
I actually have a mix between 3C and 4A hair. Sleep.
And all is said and done.
You'll believe.
Do your lips together. It's cute. I don't think I was gonna put over it.
Do you have a clips
We stand baby lips.
by Maybelline because we don't feel like going to get whatchamacallit. And we put, what was that? That lip lingerie by NYX.
NYX lip lingerie in the shade. This is actually really pretty. Bedtime flirt. Jada's a bedtime flirt.
You said what? of me.